The RedMagic 3D tablet features naked eye 3D technology and a quad camera setup. If you've been looking for the next big thing in mobile tech, this tablet has it all. 3D without the glasses, high-performance gaming features, and a powerful camera system. Whether you're a gamer, a content creator, or just someone who loves cutting-edge gadgets, I think you're going to be blown away by what this device offers. Let's get into it. All right, let's start with the headline feature of this tablet, naked eye 3D technology. Now I know what you're thinking, 3D without the glasses? How does that even work? Well, RedMagic has made it possible by using a micron-level LCD lens screen that taps into binocular parallax to create a 3D effect. Basically, it mimics how our eyes naturally perceive depth, so when you look at the tablet, it feels like the objects are popping out of the screen. No need for bulky glasses or any additional equipment, just pure 3D awesomeness. But what's even more impressive is that the tablet comes with AI-driven eye tracking technology. This means no matter where you're looking at the screen from, the 3D visuals will adjust to your position. It tracks your eye movement at 90 Hz, ensuring that the 3D experience is always smooth and optimized. Combine that with an 86-degree viewing angle, and you've got a device that makes 3D accessible from nearly any position. Whether you're watching solo or with a friend, the experience stays top-notch. Another incredible feature that I believe will set this tablet apart is its 2D to 3D conversion technology. You don't need to worry about finding 3D content because the RedMagic 3D tablet can convert your regular 2D apps and videos into 3D at the push of a button. It's powered by the Magic Vision engine, which uses AI to deliver real-time 3D rendering for whatever is on your screen. This is huge for those of us who don't always have access to 3D movies or games. You can take your everyday content like YouTube videos, your favorite Netflix shows, or even social media and experience them in a whole new way. The fact that you can just press a button and your content transforms into 3D, that's next level. I believe this is one of the most user-friendly innovations we've seen in a long time. Now let's move on to something that photographers and videographers are going to love, the quad camera setup. Yes, you heard that right. This tablet doesn't just come with your standard cameras, it's equipped to capture in 3D as well. On the front, you've got an 8MP dual camera system. On the back, there's a 13MP dual camera setup. These cameras don't just capture regular images, they can also record 3D video and snap 3D photos. If you're someone who's into creating content, this opens up a whole new world of possibilities. You can film vlogs, capture your travels, or even shoot a short film all in 3D. And the best part is that it supports real-time HDR recording, so your 3D content will look stunning with vibrant colors and deep contrasts. Everything is recorded in the popular SBS 3D format, making it compatible with most 3D viewing platforms. Let's talk about the display, because this tablet isn't just about 3D visuals. It's equipped with a 12.1-inch 2.5K display, giving you plenty of screen real estate for multitasking, gaming, or watching videos. With a 16:10 aspect ratio and a 144 Hz refresh rate, this display is perfect for smooth gameplay and crisp visuals. Whether you're playing high-performance games or streaming your favorite shows, everything looks sharp and responsive. Powering all of this is the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor. This chip is a powerhouse, capable of handling demanding apps and games with ease. Plus, it supports 5G connectivity, so you're always connected at blazing fast speeds. And with up to 16 gigs of RAM and 512 gigs of storage, you won't have to worry about running out of space or experiencing any lag. Now, a powerful tablet like this needs a battery that can keep up, and RedMagic didn't disappoint. The RedMagic 3D tablet comes with a massive 10,000 mAh battery, ensuring you can game, create, and watch for hours without worrying about running out of juice. And when you do need to charge, the tablet supports 66W fast charging, which means you can get back to full power in no time. All right, let's talk about the pricing. The RedMagic 3D tablet comes in two configurations. The 12 gig RAM plus 256 GB storage version is priced at 64.99 yuan, which is roughly $890. The 16 GB RAM plus 512 GB storage is priced at 72.99 yuan, which is roughly $1,000 US. Now, considering all the advanced features packed into this tablet, from the glassless-free 3D technology to the quad camera setup and top-tier performance, I think these prices are more than fair. It's a premium device, no doubt about it, but you're getting a lot of bang for your buck. To wrap things up, I believe the RedMagic 3D tablet is setting a new standard in the tablet market. Its naked eye 3D technology is revolutionary, and the quad camera system is perfect for content creators. And its performance specs make it a powerhouse for gaming and productivity. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a gamer, or someone who just wants the latest and greatest, this tablet offers something for everyone. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay up to date with all the latest tech reviews and news.